He came like a thief in the night. No crown, no trumpet, no royal sign. Born in a manger, silent and small, the King of heaven walked among us all. Eyes were blinded, hearts unaware. God was with us, standing right there. He came in flesh, unrecognized, heaven hidden in human eyes. Secret arrival, mercy revealed, the Word became flesh, God walked and healed. No beauty they desire to see, just a carpenter from God.